Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about how to make the invisible column in a particular notebook or page view here in the person's view as per the condition of the form view or the parent model. So today's topic is very similar to that and very small topic is how to make the column invisible in the list view. In order to make the column invisible in the list or tree view, all you need to do is use the same attribute as in our previous lecture, which is column underscore invisible. So currently, as you can see, I have a tree view or a list view in the books menu. What I'll do, I will add column invisible attribute in this particular list view. Let's see, let's go to the code. Here in the books view, go to the list. Here is our list view. In here I will add here column invisible is equals to simply 1. 1 means true. So if you want to make the entire column invisible in the list view, you can use column underscore invisible is equals to 1, which means true, or you can add condition as per your requirement. Now I'll simply restart the server, go to the apps, upgrade your module, library management. See, now the publish date is not shown. I forgot to mention this particular small thing in the previous lecture, so I have added in this current video. Also, when do we need to make entire column invisible? So in case where you don't want to show the user that particular column, but you want to use that column for the further condition. For example, if you want a particular status or any of the available field to be made condition based on that particular published date. So in that case, you can use column underscore invisible where user don't see the column, but it is needed for the functionality part. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.